The Creality Ender 3 V2 3D printer is one of the most popular budget-friendly FDM printers, known for its reliability, upgrade-friendly design, and solid print quality. It's a great choice for beginners and hobbyists who want a dependable DIY 3D printing experience with useful modern features. Silent motherboard for quiet operation. The Ender 3 V2 comes with a self-developed silent motherboard that ensures smoother motion and significantly reduced noise levels. This allows for near-silent printing, making it suitable for home or office environments without disturbance. UL certified branded power supply. Equipped with a high-quality branded power supply, the printer ensures fast heating and stable performance during long printing sessions. The power unit is safely integrated into the machine, improving both safety and durability. Effortless filament feeding system. The upgraded extruder includes a rotary knob, making filament loading and feeding much easier and more precise. This small but useful improvement enhances user convenience, especially for beginners. Resume printing. Function with power loss recovery. The Ender 3 V2 can resume printing from where it stopped after a power outage. This feature helps save time, material, and effort, especially during long print jobs. Carborundum glass. Build platform, the carborundum glass bed provides excellent heat distribution and strong adhesion, ensuring prints stick well during operation and are easy to remove afterward. It also delivers a smooth finish on the bottom layer. 4.3-inch color screen. With new UI, the printer features a 4.3-inch color display with an updated user interface that offers a more intuitive and user-friendly experience, making it easier to control settings and monitor prints. DIY-friendly and upgradable design. As a DIY-style 3D printer, the Ender 3 V2 is easy to assemble and highly customizable. Users can upgrade various components over time, making it a great learning platform for those entering the 3D printing world. Practical build volume. With a build size of 8.66, 8.66, 9.84 inches, it provides enough space for most everyday prints, including prototypes, models, and functional parts, while maintaining a compact footprint. Overall, the Creality Ender 3 V2 is a reliable and beginner-friendly 3D printer that offers excellent value for money. With quiet operation, resin printing, and a strong upgrade ecosystem, it remains a top choice for anyone starting their journey in 3D printing.